Let's do a little bank practice. Let's try to bank all 4 of these shots and run these out. Okay, what is the best shot? I'm going to try this one right here, across the corner. Okay, what's next? I'm going to go ahead and try to bank this one. I'm going to try to bank this one back here in the corner. And then I got to finish off with this one. Not an easy one, but I think I can make it. Oh, just barely made it. I love doing that, you guys. Put 4 balls on the table. If you make a ball on a break, respot it. Great way to practice your banks. You're going to learn so much about this game if you do. This part of your game if you do. If you found this video to be helpful, please share this video and hit that thumbs up. It really helps build the channel. And please check out ronthepoolstudent.com. And if you feel the need to help support the channel, please pick up some merch. We would greatly appreciate that. And if you'd like to see another informative tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.